have my Belli Welli. I just drunk half of my cup. It tastes super, super delicious. I really, 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 really love it. Yeah, I'm going to be drinking this twice a day, morning and night. And I will give you guys an update on how it goes, because in the past I bought Belli Welli and now I'm back on Belli Welli because I'm having some gut problems. Constipation, not getting the right nutrients, probiotics, fiber. And I just felt like this would be perfect for me instead of taking pills, because pills don't work all the time. And sometimes it's hard for me to take pills just by drinking water with it. It's difficult. So I don't recommend taking pills, but this is the natural way to go. A lot of wonderful ingredients. And I have my Belli Welli right here. Amazing. It tastes 100% delicious. There's no aftertaste. It doesn't taste like medicine, nothing like that. So it tastes just like strawberry lemonade. And this is going to definitely help me with the bloating, getting the right probiotics, and make sure you go purchase Belli Welli today. You can order online. You can get it from Walmart. A lot of local grocery shopping places you can get Belli Welli from. This is available everywhere. This has been going so viral and it's so worth the price. Check out Belli Welli.